All right, Eli, today we're going to teach you how to make steaks on a hot rock. And I do not have a hot rock to cook steaks on, but my son River does, and he does it all the time.
I'm your daddy.
And that's Eli's dad. So we're going to show you how to make steaks on the hot rock. River, if you can tell us the hot rock, well, here, you can tell us now.
It's a hot rock. Let me tell you that.
How long was it in the oven for?
530 degrees for an hour and 10 minutes. Get you a very hot rock.
Okay. And then we cut up, we have some ribeyes here that we sliced very thin. And let's put them on the hot rock. Oh, and you can season them too.
No,
They've been seasoned a little
you
bit.
did it a little wrong, Dad. I should have consulted you.
Okay.
What you need to do, let's turn it a little bit. You want to cut off some of this fat from this ribeye. And you take a piece of fat and you smother it around the hot rock before placing the meat on there. So the hot rock is nice and juicy itself. But there's enough fat in these ribeyes, they'll render down.
And how long do you normally cook them on each side?
It depends on the person. They stick, so you want to let them cook for at least a little bit. About maybe 30 seconds, and then you can kind of fry it. This is also why you want to put the fat on there. They won't stick if you have the fat on there. They won't stick like that. But it depends on how you like your meat. You can cook it as long as you'd like.
Okay. And how much can you usually cook on the rock before it's cold again?
You can cook on the rock for about 10 minutes before it starts to cool down.
Okay.
And it depends on how cold the meat is, too. Which this meat is pretty cold.
Yeah, do you normally let your meat,
Yes.
steak sit out?
I normally put the hot rock in the oven, and about 20 minutes into the hot rock being in the oven, I will take the steak out, cut the steak, and by the time we end up eating it, it is nice and room temperature.
Okay. And I cut these a little thick. I think you probably cut them thinner, huh?
They're a little thick, yeah.
And then you have
Some yum yum sauce. Delectable. Hey Eli, you're gonna watch this in the future. You ever gonna eat steak?
Here, you can try a slice with Eli in the picture. You're gonna get Eli so he can see himself on YouTube. Come here. Alright. This is Eli. Eli, do you want to try some steak?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. I think you may like it. You don't want to try it? All right. Well, that is how to cook steak on a hot rock. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Very simple, easy, tasty, easy, cleansy, meatsy.
All right. Bye.